Okay, so let's discuss complete the equation for aerobic and anaerobic respiration. What is the equation, please?
Glucose plus
It's
oxygen,
okay, Clarina.
then carbon dioxide plus water.
Plus oxygen, then carbon dioxide.
Dioxide plus water.
Okay, yeah, anaerobic.
Lactic acid plus energy, right?
Yeah, correct. Lactic acid. Okay, true or false? Anaerobic respiration does not require oxygen.
True. Yeah.
True.
Okay.
The,
Okay, anaerobic
the one-
aerobic respiration only provides short bursts of energy.
No.
No.
False.
False.
Okay, anaerobic respiration produces lactic acid.
True.
Yes.
That's true.
Anaerobic respiration releases the same percentage of the total energy in glucose as aerobic respiration.
False.
Yes.
And then one is high concentration and another one is low concentration, low percentage. Okay, aerobic respiration is the main type of respiration used in sprinting races.
It's because respiration used in intense exercises like sprinting is anaerobic respiration.
Yes, correct. It's anaerobic respiration.